Hello my dear students, welcome to Computer Class 2, Lesson 4, Keyboard, the Special Keys. Dear children, we have already completed the explanation of the chapter. Hope you all have understood it well. So today we will start the question answers given at the end of the chapter. So open page number 38 for that. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. A dash is a small blinking line on the screen. A cursor is a small blinking line on the screen. The space bar is the dash key on the keyboard. Dear children, the hint words are given at the right side of the screen. The same is given in your book also. So, the space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. You have to select the correct answer from the hint words given. Next, third point. The dash key is used to move the cursor to the right. The right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right. The dash key erases letters to the left side of the cursor. The backspace key erases the letters to the left side of the cursor. Fifth point. The dash key brings the cursor down to the next line. The enter key brings the cursor down to the next line. Sixth one. A key that is used along with another key is known as the dash key. The key that is used along with another key is known as the combination key. Dear children, I have done the work. I have written the answers here, and with red color I have displayed it on the screen. So the first answer is cursor, second one longest, third one right arrow, third backspace, fourth one enter key, and the last one is, that is sixth one, is combination key. Write the answers correctly in your book as well as in your copy. Now next one, B. Match the following pictures with the given words. So the picture of spacebar key, then backspace key, arrow key, caps lock key, delete key and enter key has been given, and you have to match it according to the names given in the middle. This one has been done for you. I have displayed it on the screen. Match it correctly and use scale and pencil to mark it neatly. Dear children, the same you will have to do in copy also. Next, question number C. Guess which key I am. I type the letters in capital. Answer is caps lock key. I erase the letters to the right side of the cursor. The answer is delete key. I move the cursor to a new line. The answer is enter key. I give space between the words, and yes, the answer is space bar key. The answer I have written here with red color. Write the answers correctly and the spellings correctly. Now, there are some points that you must remember. The first one is shift key and press the number key 1 to get exclamation mark on the monitor. You have to hold the shift key and press the number key 1 to get exclamation mark when you are typing. Second point, by pressing shift key we can type alphabets in capital letter when the caps lock is turned off. My dear children, when you turn on the caps lock, you can type with capital letter. But if the caps lock is turned off and still you want to type capital letter, then you have to press shift key for that and then type the letter. Pressing shift key along with the letter that you want to be typed in capital, you have to press both shift key and that alphabet together. Next, third one, by pressing Ctrl plus Home key together, we can move the cursor to the top of document. So, to move the cursor to the top of document, you have to press the key combination Ctrl plus Home key. Now, fourth one, by pressing Ctrl plus End key combination, we can move the cursor to the end of the document. So, by pressing Ctrl plus End key, what you can do? Your cursor will go to the end of the document. Fifth one, Alt plus F4 closes the program. If you are working in any program and you want to close it, you will have to press Alt plus F4. Sixth one, Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. If you press the three combination together, these three combination keys together, then what will happen? The computer will shut down. Okay? So remember the points and do your work properly in your book as well as in copy. The work should be neat and learn the answers. Stay fit, stay well. Thank you.